Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart Intercom system. This vital tool helps associates communicate effectively across the store, whether for general announcements or specific needs. It's designed to streamline operations and enhance the shopping experience for everyone. Remember, only authorized team members should use the system to ensure messages are clear and appropriate for the retail environment. Let's dive into the specifics of operating this important communication device. To use the intercom, first find a designated phone or intercom station. These are typically found in key areas throughout the store. Next, you'll need to activate the system, usually by pressing and holding a specific call button or dialing a short code, like #96. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace directly into the microphone. Once your message is complete, simply release the button to end your broadcast. Always ensure you hear a dial tone or see an indicator light before speaking. Walmart uses specific codes for common announcements to ensure quick and discreet communication. For instance, code C followed by a department means a customer needs help there. Emergency situations are often communicated with color codes. Code white indicates an accident, while code red signals a fire. A code atom is a critical announcement for a missing child. These codes allow associates to respond swiftly without causing unnecessary alarm to customers, maintaining a calm store environment. For effective intercom use, always be clear and concise. Lengthy messages can lose listener attention. It's best to keep your announcements to under 15 seconds when possible. Only use the designated handsets, as these are specifically set up for the system. Before a critical announcement, a quick audio test can confirm sound quality. Remember to speak at a moderate pace and enunciate every word clearly. Always confirm your authorization to use the system with a manager or supervisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.